You mean my favorites? Then I'm blue.
And my favorite color is also green.
Then I would choose the Siemens Petrol.
Is this green one?
It's a little bit warm. I'd say it's on the warm side.
And my favorite is titanium gray.
White, because in white you have every color.
Yeah, that I think is my sort of favorite.
My favorite in this is actually this.
You can have several colors, several moods, but that's the one for today.
Which one are you?
Yeah, look at my eyes.
For me, color it's really important because this is the first message we perceive.
I mean, it's such an amazing way of impacting people's lives, working with color and sort of helping people to actually bring color into their life.
Color is light, and it's really important for me to remember that color doesn't exist ever in a vacuum. It's always in a context, but it's also this magical tool to create experience and vibe.
Design is about proportions, and one aspect which has a big influence on proportions is color. It has such a huge impact on the perception of volumes and detail shapes that you can't start without color.
People use a lot of words to describe color, but one word might not mean the same thing to someone else, but if you can actually say, you know what, it's this hue and this nuance, then there's sort of no room for interpretation.
So the advantage of working with the NCS system is this idea that you can specify an NCS number and then everybody knows what you're referring to. And it's always easier to communicate when you have a common language.
It's everything. It needs to be 100%, because that's our quality in our brand.
NCS has been a part of our business for so long, so we see it as, you know, a foundation, a platform where we stand from and where we can, with reliability and security, always communicate around colors. We can't talk about color if we don't refer to NCS, I would say.
Yeah. Yeah, in all departments actually,
Yeah.
And all colleagues.
Yeah, throughout our whole value chain when it comes to colors, we are addressing NCS system.
I can't even think of a project where we didn't at some point have a specified color that we didn't use the NCS system for reference somehow. It is completely part of every project that we do.
And you have to imagine in our projects we're working in, the chain of informations, of communication is really long. Till we start here in the production, how can you have the right information here at our machinery from the guy who has the conversation with the designer? And that's why it's an amazing tool of, let's say, fix the color from the beginning. Yeah.
Since we are working with NCS, I just have to compare products which are 20 years old and the current products, and you see the clear difference.
There are a lot of different ways of communicating color, but NCS is the only sort of systematic way of working with it.
I'm very, very pleased to be working for this kind of company, have this collaboration so we can utilize the knowledge from both with NCS and for IKEA, that we do it stronger together.
The transfer of knowledge from NCS to us, which gives the industrial design team a very strong position in actually implementing the colors in application.
NCS gives us constant quality, high quality in these samples, They are great experts at NCS. We are working together if we have concrete topics and challenges. And since we are working with NCS, we have a clear, defined process.
NCS Plus, being such an interactive, easy to go, playful in a way tool, is enabling us as Tarkett to also share the knowledge of NCS. This is also helping then our customers navigate our range, our colors, and that's really the added value of NCS Plus, helping them mix our products with other materials, with finding the right color to match wall, to match furniture. And all the architects really are super enthusiastic and want to use and to play with NCS Plus.
This is exactly the tool I was looking for when I started my career.
I feel really confident to work with my amazing scan here and the app from NCS, and yeah, to describe together with the architects and designers the colors and to start in the right way, to speak one language that everyone understands. And of course for us here in the production it's way easier, it's way faster now that we get the right information to produce, let's say, samples in harmony to the ideas of the architects.
And here, NCS is great. There's no discussion about it. You see it. It's a number system. I think NCS is the most fantastic language you can get. It is a way how you can communicate.
From Middle East to UK, from the super yacht designers to the guys in Switzerland, everyone accepts the system.